Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, we will show you on how to block someone on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, locate the Messenger app in your device and open it. Once opened, make sure that you are logged in. Now, find the chat with the person you want to block. You can either scroll through your conversation or use the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you have opened the chat, tap on the View Profile option. This will open their profile options. Now, simply scroll down a bit and you will see the option saying Block. Tap on it, then click on the Block option. They won't be notified about being blocked. There you have it. Blocking someone is quite easy and quick task. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and leave any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.